Hello friends! Today, we're diving into the Turkish drama series Bloody Flowers, which has captured the hearts of viewers worldwide. This project, with its thrilling plot twists and complex characters, spanned 144 episodes, telling the gripping story of two feuding families, Karabey and Demir, whose relationships are rooted in a centuries-old vendetta and blood revenge. The plot centers on Baran Karabey, played by Baktas, who is determined to stop the long-standing conflict and is willing to sacrifice his freedom by marrying Dilan Demir, played by Yagmur Yuksel, the daughter of the powerful family patriarch Sayit Demir, Hasan Baktas. Though his family and the bride herself oppose this decision, Baran feels obligated to take his father's place, who has been left paralyzed. However, as with any great drama, there's more beneath the surface than simple revenge. The kidnapping sparks outrage, and the consequences quickly escalate. Sayit Demir, upon learning that his daughter has been taken, ends up in the hospital. Baran's ex-girlfriend Daria also enters the scene, determined to win back his heart by any means. Soon, it becomes clear that Baran's actions will lead to even more tragic events, affecting not only him, but also his family. The series weaves together themes of relationships, revenge, redemption, and tragedy, including the death of Baran's mother and his father's disability. All of these challenges culminate in a dramatic finale where the protagonists must face the consequences of their choices. Will they manage to stop the endless crimes and bring peace to both families? And what will happen to their love? The answers unfold only as you watch all the episodes. An interesting fact about the actors. For Yagmur Yuksel playing Dilan, Bloody Flowers was her debut acting role. Interestingly, she had never dreamed of acting and planned to pursue a medical career. As for Baktas, he initially studied accounting, but later turned to acting after attending acting courses and landing roles in historical films. Additionally, Baris explores other forms of creativity, writing poetry and music. According to international movie aggregators, Bloody Flowers scored over 7/10, surpassing even the popular series Knock on My Door. This speaks to the series' ability to captivate viewers with its compelling storylines and powerful performances. Thank you for being with us. Be sure to follow for more stories and projects, and if you haven't seen Bloody Flowers yet, give it a watch. It's a thrilling drama.